Hey Tom, how are you? I am fine. What is this, my dear friend? This is a lamp. What color is this? Oh, it's yellow. What color is this? It's an white color. Oh wow, it's little brighter. It's more brighter than before. My dear friend, I can't able to see you because of your brightness. Let's reduce the brightness. Brighter, little brighter, dull. Hey Tom, see what's in my hand. Oh, it's a candy. Yummy, yummy. I love candies. Even my friends and kids also like candies. Oh, it's very colorful. Tom, separate the colors of the candy. What color is this? It's an orange. Yeah, correct. It's an yellow. Correct. It's an green. Correct. Red. Correct. Blue. Correct. Brown. Correct. Yummy, yummy. I'm going to eat all the candies. Let me tell you again. Colors of the candies. Brown. Orange. Yellow. Blue. Green. Red. Come on, let's tell again. Orange. Brown. Yellow. Blue. Red. Green. Dear friends, don't forget to brush your teeth after eating the candies. Thank you.